In this video, we are going to see how we can use Chat GPT to make our YouTube video creation much easier. So first we need to have some sort of an idea of what our next video is going to be. For that we can use Chat GPT. Here I am going to give a prompt that in simple English, like give me some ideas for my next YouTube videos related to the YouTube SEO. So as you can see, it's coming up with certain YouTube video ideas. First point is like beginner's guide to YouTube SEO. Second is advanced tip for YouTube SEO, a case study of how to boost your YouTube SEO, and a Q&A session on YouTube SEO. These are some points where we can start our YouTube video next. So the next prompt is going to be like, we can take that first point generated and ask Chat GPT to give a video description for this point that we just generated. So that will save us time for writing the video description. We can just make some small edits to this video description and just paste it on our YouTube video. That will save us a lot of time. That's another way of using ChatGPT. Now let's ask for a video script for this YouTube SEO video, and I'll be adding AI voiceover to just show you how it reads through. It will be really fast, so if you want to hear it slowly, you can just change the speed.
Hi and welcome to this video on YouTube SEO. My name is Your Name, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing some tips on how to optimize your YouTube videos for discoverability. First, let's talk about keyword research. Keywords are words or phrases that people use when searching for content on YouTube. By including relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags, you can help your video show up in search results for those terms. To find the right keywords for your videos, you can use tools like the YouTube Keyword Tool or Google's Keyword Planner. These tools will give you an idea of which keywords are popular and how much competition there is for them. You'll want to aim for keywords that are relevant to your content and have a good search volume, but not too much competition. Once you have a list of keywords, it's time to start incorporating them into your titles, descriptions, and tags. Your title should be clear and concise, and include your main keyword as close to the beginning as possible. Your description should be a few sentences long and should include your main keyword as well as any related keywords. Finally, your tag should be a list of relevant keywords separated by commas. Next, let's talk about thumbnails. A thumbnail is a small image that appears next to your video in search results, and it's important because it's one of the first things that viewers see when they come across your video. You want your thumbnail to be eye-catching and relevant to your content. You can create custom thumbnails using a tool like Canva, or you can use a frame from your video as your thumbnail. Just make sure that it's clear and easy to read. Finally, let's talk about how to track your SEO progress. You can use tools like YouTube Analytics to see how your videos are performing in terms of views, likes, and comments. You can also use a tool like TubeBuddy to track your rankings for specific keywords and see how your videos are performing in search results. That's it for this video on YouTube SEO. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions or want to learn more about YouTube SEO, leave a comment below or check out my other videos on the topic. Thanks for watching.
Another really neat trick that I found is asking the title, description, and the video tags separated by commas, which will make us easier to copy paste to the video tag session of YouTube. This is a really fast way of generating everything that we need in one go, and just by giving the video title, and then it will give us all the related title, description, and the tags, so that our video process creation will be even faster. And this is how you can use ChatGPT to create your videos really fast. I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching the video. And if you want to know how to dictate AI generated content, if you are planning to put it on your website, you can watch the next video in the end cards. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.